What's good, man? We back with another video, and today we're gonna talk about probiotics. If you don't know what probiotics is, to summarize things quickly, it's basically just a good bacteria that you add in your stomach. So our stomach contains bad bacteria and good bacteria. A lot of y'all are having internal issues because y'all have too much bad bacteria, which can cause, skin problems, digestive health, IBS, etc., etc. So therefore, I'm gonna show y'all the probiotics that I use. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can do y'all research and see if y'all wanna tap in and try the ones I'm using. So the first one I'm gonna show y'all is the Garden of Life Probiotics. Now this is the kid version, but they have adult version as well. You know what I'm saying? It has a higher dosage. The reason I have the kid brand is because when I think of an adult, I think 40 and older. So since I'm still in my 20s, I like to take the kid version. It's been working pretty well. Now the thing that I like about this brand, as you can see, organic matters. You know what I'm saying? A lot of stuff that I've been talking about in these videos, they cover. As you can see, dairy-free, soy-free, certified organic, non-GMO, etc., etc. Those are things I look for when I'm taking a supplement. It's things like this, because a lot of stuff that's getting sold, they're not really good products. These companies are just doing cash grabs. When something trending, they just quickly creating a product because they know you're gonna jump to it and buy it. But it's people who really care about what they're putting in their products because they actually care about the people. I think this definitely a company that's a solid company that, you know what I'm saying, are selling good probiotics. Another thing about probiotics is a lot of supplements might not make it to your gut. This is a company that guarantees, you know what I'm saying, that you get them organisms, them probiotics that you need for your gut. So this is definitely a product that you should try. You should, try it. If you ain't never took probiotics, try the kid version like me. But I definitely recommend this brand, Garden of Life. The second product that I recommend is this is not a supplement, it's a drink. As you can see, it's ice cold. I'm about to make me a meal and drink this right after my meal. But this is another product. You probably seen it in your stores and just walk past it. This is definitely another one you should look into. You know what I'm saying? Once again, a solid company. That's what I look for. And a green flag for me was that it's in a glass bottle. When I see a company put their products in a glass bottle, that's a green flag for me. They got a lot of different flavors, but I always choose anything with ginger in it just because, ginger itself has a lot of medicinal benefits. So I definitely like to do the ginger. But yes, tap in and see, man. But you definitely want to get you some probiotics in your system. This is actually, another good thing about this, a lot of y'all eat meat, pork and stuff and dairy, and then y'all drink a soda. Y'all might eat that slice of pizza and then chase it with a soda. Instead of chasing it with a soda, chase it with one of these and see how you feel. I guarantee you might be a happy camper. So I definitely recommend this one. This is another good one. This one comes with like 4 or 5 billion organisms inside the container. But this is definitely another one. The GT Synergy. They got they've been around for a while. Like I said, in my opinion, solid company. So yes, man, those are the companies that I recommend, the products that I recommend. Like I said, there's a lot of green flags with those. I feel good. I've been off of them like a year straight now. You definitely want to tap in and, do your research and see if probiotics is something you need. There's a lot of benefits, A lot of y'all might have too much bad bacteria in your stomach. So definitely tap in and do your research. That's pretty much it for this video. Just want to put y'all on that and see if you'll be interested in, adding probiotics to your diet. So like always, I'll be back with more content. It's your boy King Kirk. I'm out.